In this video, I'm talking all about a really cool software which I'll be reviewing in front of you right now. It's called Rytr and it's another artificial intelligence AI writing tool. So if you are interested in picking this up at any given time, just click the link in the description below and you'll be taken to their website. So let me jump into the homepage of Rytr and show you what they have to offer. So now this is the home screen of Rytr. As you can see on the left hand side there are multiple options, and on the right hand side you can see the file. So here, as you can see, you can select languages, you can select multiple tones here. Okay, so I have selected convincing. Also you can select your use case, whether it's song lyrics. Then we have multiple options like email, then call to action, brand name. So here, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select for blog, idea and others, and outline, sorry. So in the primary keyword I'll just put, let's say, how to lose belly fat. Okay, and I'm going to just select one variant here, and creativity level will be optimal, and let's click on write for me. Okay, so as you can see, so it has already generated the title, okay, along with the introduction. Then that's a blog outline. As you can see, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 5. So that's the outline. What you have to do is you have to select along with the keyword, and you have to click on paragraph to generate a paragraph there. So once you click on paragraph, the Rytr will automatically generate a paragraph. So as you can see here, so it has automatically generated paragraph. So suppose if you want to add few more words, you just have to click on continue writing. Okay, so this is the number 1 point here, so you have to select along with the keyword and click on paragraph. So it will automatically write paragraph for you. Okay, so as you can see here, so paragraph has been added by the AI. So as you can read here, to write SEO friendly long form content, select section heading along with keywords. So that's the best practice, so that AI will understand exactly what type of content you want. As you can see, you just have to click on paragraph and automatically it will be generated. Also, if you want to rephrase anything, you just have to select that sentence and you can rephrase it. So again, for the second point, so as you can see, the AI has automatically created content for us. So again, for the third point also, I have added the paragraph here. So similarly, whether it's a 2000 words content or 10,000 words content, you can do it using Rytr. So also we have the product description, so you can write using Rytr. There are multiple options. So whether you want profile bio, SEO meta description, there is option for that also. Then we have video description. So you just have to tell the AI exactly what you want in few, like 1-2 lines, and then it will automatically create content for you. So there you go guys, Rytr is a really awesome AI writing tool with unlimited content, and I will seriously recommend it to anybody who wants to create original blog posts, social media content, emails and much more in just few seconds. So if you are interested in Rytr, check the link in the description below, so that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.